So have you felt a shift today? Maybe you felt it coming, like something's pushing you to move, to decide, to change. That's not random. Today's the 5-5 portal, and this energy is here to move your life forward. So let's talk about what this actually means and how to work with the energies of this portal instead of resisting it. In numerology, the number 5 represents change, movement, evolution, freedom. And when you get a double 5, like today, it amplifies that energy into what I would call a threshold moment. This is not subtle energy. This is energy that says something in your life is ready to shift and it's time. Like right now. So if today feels a little intense or highly activating or even emotional, here's why. This energy tends to bring up what's no longer aligned, where you've been hesitating, where you already know what to do, but haven't moved yet. You might feel restless, clear all of a sudden about something, like you can't tolerate being stuck anymore, or like something inside of you is saying enough. And that's actually the portal working. It's the portal working. So here's a deeper meaning. It's a deeper truth about the 5-5 portal. This is not just about external change. This is about identity shift. It's not asking, what do you want to manifest? It's asking, who are you ready to become? What are you ready to step into? Because your life doesn't change first. You do, and then everything reorganizes around that. So how do you actually use this energy today? Keep it simple. This is what I'm doing. I'm keeping it simple. Number 1, make one aligned decision. Not 10, just one. Something you've been putting off, a boundary, a next step, a conversation, a commitment. Because this energy responds to movement. Number 2, release what feels heavy. If something feels complete, let it be complete. Old patterns, old obligations, old stories. This is not the day to carry what you've outgrown into tomorrow. Even just saying, I'm done with this, can shift your entire field. Number 3, change something physical. Move your body. Rearrange your space. That's what I did today. Rearrange my space. Go somewhere new. When your physical reality shifts, your nervous system gets the message. It's safe to evolve. It's safe to change. And if something feels like it's unraveling today, don't panic. 5 energy doesn't destroy for no reason. It reorganizes. So instead of asking, why is this happening? Ask, what is this making space for? Because that is a more empowering question. What is this making space for? At its core, the 5-5 portal is about one thing: freedom through truth. It's your life catching up to who you are already becoming. So today, instead of forcing anything, just notice where life is nudging you forward and respond. If you feel the shift, trust it. This is your moment to move. And God, hell yeah, you're ready.